Welcome back to another video blog. Usually we give a key thing happening in the news and we look at it and tie it into communications. This last weekend, we're doing a little different slant this week. This last weekend, something happened where I was reminded of the key fact that the quality of your life depends on who you put yourself around with. And that goes the same for communication and organizations, every organization. And the challenge that we have is a lot of people feel like they have to be, whether it be robots or be that type of person that they see in the executive suite. For example, we work with a big insurance company, and we've been asked to help change their culture. And a lot of up-and-comers and high-profile folks we work with, they are resistant to whether it be show more energy or tell a story or change some of these habits. And they look at the executive suite, well, but some of those guys aren't doing it. And that's the challenge we deal with. But my push to them is that when they step back and they think about it and they see some of these folks that are coming up are doing these things, which is why we all need to. So my encouragement is take that risk. Your next meeting today, tomorrow, try putting in a story. Try changing some of the habits that you normally don't do, whether it be you usually use fillers, using the pause, eye communication, hold longer, smile, bring more energy in your voice. Give this a try in one of your next meetings. I guarantee you will see the difference. Change isn't easy, but it's worth the risk. Look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks so much.